القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
So the next category, as we said, was the letters which are not always tafkhim, meaning they are tarqiq sometimes and they are tafkhim sometimes, depending on some circumstances of that particular letter. So we will look at the lam first, and the lam is very easy. The lam is always tarqiq unless it occurs on the glorious name of Allah. So the lam is always tarqiq unless it occurs on the glorious name of Allah. So if we were to say laha, lahum, anything like that, then the lam will always be light. La, this is always light, tarqiq. But if it occurs on the lam of Allah, then there are some circumstances in which this will be read heavy. So the lam of Allah is known as Lafzul Jalaalah. Lafzul Jalaalah is the glorious name of Allah, is the purest name of Allah out of all of the names of Allah, and it has this special rule with it as well in Tajweed. So this lam is divided into two types: the lam of Allah preceded by a fatha or dhamma, and the lam of Allah preceded by kasra. So if we have a look at these examples, there's a fatha and a dhamma here. So how are we going to pronounce this? If the lam of Allah is preceded by a fatha or a dhamma, then the lam of Allah will be pronounced heavy. So let's look at these examples. Min Allahi, min Allah, min Allah. We can hear the lam is pronounced heavy. It's not like laha, that's different. Min Allah and ardullah, ardullah. So we can see that the lam of Allah is heavy in these examples. So it's very, very easy. But the time when it's pronounced, the lam of Allah is pronounced light, is when there is a kasra before it. So in the above example, the name of Allah is preceded by kasra, and therefore the lam of Allah will be read with tarqiq, yani a light sound. So this is lillahi, lillahi, lillahi. So there's a difference in sound. So there's minallahi, ardullahi, and then there's lillahi. So this is the lam of Allah and lafzul jalaalah, how we pronounce this tafkhim and how we pronounce this lam with tarqiq as well. In the next video we will look at the letter ra, which has many rules regarding the tafkhim and tarqiq. So it's very important that you have time and concentrate on this letter.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.